Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the rest part of determiners. In my previous class, as I have taught you the definition of determiners and kinds of determiners. So today we have to know that what are the uses of determiners. First, that we have to know that where a and an is used. A and an is used before singular countable noun. When the word is started with consonant, then we use a. Before that, just you are looking in example, he is a boy, and boy, the first letter is b, that is a consonant, so we have written here a. After that, we are whenever there is vowel sound, then we use whenever there is vowel sound, then we use an. Okay, just you are looking in the example also, he is an intelligent student. Intelligent is what? Intelligent, the first letter is I, and that is the vowel letter, so we have used here an. So you have understood that where a is used and where an is used. But sometimes what happens, sometimes the usage of a and an depends on their pronunciation. Just in your example you are looking, he is an honest student. So H is the consonant word, but the sound is vowel, just like vowel when we are pronouncing it honest, not honest. So we have used here and. After that, we are going to know that where a and an is used. A is used to express in the sense of some or any. That means when we have to express about some or any, then we use a. Just in your example you are looking, she is a teacher. She is a teacher. Teacher may be any person, some person, so we have used here a. And second, a and an is used to express singular countable noun when it comes in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, a and an is used to express singular countable noun when it comes in the beginning of the sentence. Just a cow is an animal. Cow is what? Cow is countable noun and it is in the beginning of the sentence, so we have written here a cow. A cow is an animal. Next, we are going to know that where it is used. It is used before the name of profession. No, you know the meaning of profession. I hope you know. Profession means the what we are doing, what you do, what your parents do. You are looking that he is a teacher. In the example, you are looking he is a teacher. So teacher is what? Profession. So we have used here a. Next point, if in a sentence singular countable noun comes after with or without, then we use a or an after that. That means अगर किसी सेंटेंस में सेंटेंस में सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन विथ और विदाउट के बाद आता है, तो हम लोग विथ और विदाउट के बाद ही ए का और एन का प्रयोग करेंगे. जस्ट इन यू आर लुकिंग एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो, ही केम विथ अ बैग. विथ अ बैग, आफ्टर विथ वी हैव यूज्ड हियर अ. एंड he came without an umbrella. In second example you are looking, he came without an umbrella. So without, after without we have used and. So I hope that you are understanding that where a is used. And next one you have to know, a is used before a countable symbol word like 100, 1000, dozen, etc. So he has a dozen pens. So he has a dozen pens. Before dozen we have used a. And last one we have to know, a is used an exclamatory sentence after what? Whenever we are expressing our sentence which is exclamatory, then after what we have to use a. What a foolish boy he is. After what we have used here a. So each and every time you will have to be careful that if there is exclamatory sentence and there is what, then you have to use a after that. Okay. So next, he is a Dara Singh. You are looking in example. It is last one is this. It is not used before a person. A is not used before a person, but in the sense of expression of adjective. That means if you are expressing a person just like the other person, just we are expressing their adjective, then we will use before the adjective word. He is a दारा सिंह. That means मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि वह दारा सिंह के जैसा है, न कि दारा सिंह है. So before that we have used a. So I hope that you have understood that where a and an is used. Thank you for today.